Is looking at Casper USD this morning, the 12th of September. Casper currently down 1.97%. It's had a really nice rally off of this higher low here. So basically up 18% currently. Yesterday, I had mentioned that we have overhead resistance, and overhead resistance level is at 310, 0.03110. And as the price normally does, it tried to get above that and it couldn't. And I said that could be some resistance for some time. Maybe we get a pullback sideways before moving higher. So far, that level is resistance. Bitcoin is rallying really nice. It looks like it's getting ready to do some kind of a new uptrend. Who knows how long that will last? Just play it day by day. I think if that does continue, this pullback in Casper will probably be short-lived and it'll move higher, maybe today or, in the next trading session, trying to get back above and stay above 310 up onto its next targets, 334, 363 up in these levels. So for a pullback for Casper, I have a level down here at 284. That would be a pretty strong pullback. I don't think it'll get that far, but like I said, depends kind of on what Bitcoin does. If that did play out, puts it down another 5%. So still not too bad. And I could see the price actually finding support at this area. To the downside, if Bitcoin gets crushed here, I have a target down here at 246, 0.0246. And then I also have another one which would put Casper into new lows at 0.216. Like I said, I don't think those levels will come into play anytime soon, if at all. But if they crush Bitcoin, Casper will probably go down with the ship. And those are just some new levels. But in between that, there is other levels, like I said, 284, 248, 224. Don't think that'll be the case. I think Casper will either stop somewhere in between these two levels, which is 310 and 284. If not, 284 is an area of strong support. And then remember, go watch yesterday's video as we were trading above 310. That's 0.0310. I said this will probably be resistance depending on where we close. So far it has been. And that is got to get above that before you move on up to higher price targets. So if Casper fell off a cliff, if Bitcoin fell off a cliff and hit our target 1 down here, our new target 1 puts it down 17%. And then our new target 2 puts it down 27% into new lows. To the upside, if Casper rallies from here and we get to our next upper target, so that gets us above our current resistance at 310, our next upper target at 334, that puts it up 12%. All right, guys, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Hit the thumbs up, turn on the notifications. If you want to buy Casper, XRP, Bitcoin, I have a link to Upholds. It is the first link below this video. Greatly appreciate anybody who uses that link. It does help support the channel. Let me know your thoughts on Casper, where you think it's going from here. Go back to yesterday's video, watch it. We spoke about the resistance at 310, and that could be in play for a couple days here. I want to go to a 3-minute chart real quick, and you'll see how the price has reacted has resistance around that level. And here it is. Price tries to get above these levels, and usually to the upside, it's resistance. To the downside, it's support. Has to take some time to consolidate before it can breach and move higher. And yeah, so that's the 3-minute chart. Go back to the daily chart. So let's see here. Bitcoin looks good. And if that stays in play, this will probably be short-lived, and we'll see a higher Casper here, maybe today or at some point this week. All right, guys, take it easy.